I'm plugged like a Jew, dropping Jew like a Jew, dropping Jew like a Jew, dropping Jews, rocking jewelry. And that intellect I mentioned, well, that intellect is me. Peace to the guys and goddesses of Planet Kai. Peace, man, and positive energy always creates elevation. We in Atlanta, Georgia, on this 33rd parallel, capital of Atlantis, anciently. Today, we just out here giving back to charity, giving back to the homeless. So we're gonna give away $1,000. This is 200 of it right here, though. Also, we giving away clothes. You know, me and my family, my wife, kids. You know, this is what we do all the time. Once a month, we always giving back. If we not giving back on Instagram, we always come to the streets and give back. So I believe it. The more you give, the more you get. I believe the universe bless us so that we can bless others. And there's no money doesn't have a real value. So when people make it, and they hold it to their chest and they hoard it and all that type of shit. If that's how envy and the greed kick in and the competition kick in, we can't let this shit have no power over us. So I don't mind giving this away, giving it back to the community in any form of way or fashion that I can. With the you know, with the few dollars I got, you know, I don't mind giving back because I understand that that's what the ancestors put me here to do, to give back. Not just wisdom, but if any form of income come to help, to reach back and help somebody else. So like I say, today we're gonna pick 5 people. We're going on each side of Atlanta. We're going east side, north, west, south side, then downtown. When we get downtown, we're gonna give away all the clothes. So we're giving away clothes and $1,000. But we picking each side. We was gonna do $100. Pick 2 people from each side and give them $100. So that would have been $200 given out on 5 different sides of Atlanta, the total $1,000. But we kind of got started later in the day, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just give 5 random homeless people $200, make their day. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot. That's a lot of shit. Them motherfuckers give me 200 right now, 100. You know what I'm saying? So I can imagine what it's gonna do for them. But yeah, y'all rock with us, man. This being shot with my brother, the God Streets. I'm out with my wife. You know, it's the University of Cosmic Intelligence, real over rich, and can't none of this be done without the ancestors who work it through me. So I just want to be an example of how we got to do in our community. And I wish more of our celebrities did that type of shit. They got millions. They don't want to get nothing back. You know what I'm saying? They want all your money. You know, they don't want to get nothing back, but they want all your money, you know? But that's them. I'm not here to judge them. I'm just here to help the planet. And I came to enlighten and inform and to help the planet rise in frequency and rid this planet of its parasitical invaders. And that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. God talk. And right now we on the east side, zone 6. And it's funny, right? Because when I first moved to Atlanta, I lived on the east side. I lived on Memorial Ave, 2nd Avenue Memorial. You know what I'm saying? And then from there I moved out to Stone Mountain. But it's gonna always be love for the east side of Atlanta because they embraced me first when I first moved into Atlanta. So shout out to the whole east side. That's why we on the east side right now. We started with the east side. But
thank you.
I'm finna give you this $200, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, you know, I'm just here to help my black people. You my fellow black brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, all the time, God. It's all good. And listen, don't let nobody look down on you. Make
you take a picture?
We just gonna take a picture like this.
Wow.
Get into that camera. He recorded. It's the camera. Yeah. It's all love. See, we just helping our people, man. You know, walking around. Help this black brother. He my brother. I don't look down on him. I don't see no difference. And that's what's wrong now. We'll look down on our people that we see out here in the struggle. You just show it to the camera. So. It'll be good if it get dark when we get downtown, though.
Yeah, we probably gonna have to do something under a light, though. We can make it happen, though. We on.
All right, we good?
Yeah.
All right, so look, we on the west side right now, man. Legendary Bankhead area, you know. I'm right here with from the blessing with $200. We just left the east side, but you know, at the end of the day, we had to get back to our people, the less fortunate. You know what I'm saying? We don't get back enough, so we're gonna give $200. It's $200. Yeah. I gotta take a picture with you. We're holding the money though. Take a picture.
Alright. Got it.
Got it. Appreciate you, peace, God. Don't let nobody look down on you, man. You a God. Our people, we gods. None less. That's your blessing, man. You good, huh? We downtown Atlanta right now. All right, finna bless our people, man. If you can see, a lot of homeless people out here, man. That's without. You know, I don't do no judging. I don't care how they got there. My job is just to try to help out. If they take that money and go get high, go do something silly, it ain't on me. Grab the keys, babe. It ain't on me. It's on them. My job is to be a blessing, and that's what we doing. We blessing. Take these goddesses, though.
Pull us together and let us love you, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Thank you, God.
Excuse me. Can I talk to both of you two for a second?
Yeah. Me and my mom or me and myself?
No, you and mom. And bitch ass police over there. If they really was about helping our people, they'll help these people over here. They gonna sit their bitch ass over there. Put the camera on. They gonna sit their bitch ass over there. I can say is, you know, that don't allow the universe to, you know, look down at y'all and make it. Don't allow people, I should say, to make y'all feel like y'all lesser than because
That's
of y'all
right,
situation.
that's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I done been there before. I done been homeless. I did not have somewhere to sleep. I did not have somewhere to stay. But what I want to personally do is, you know, a blessing for me and my family. What we want to do is we want to give, you know, you and your sister $200 a piece. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Thank you, baby.
No problem. It's all good. It's all good.
Thank you.
What though? Oh, you can't, guy. Hold on one second. But though, what the only thing I ask though is that y'all gotta take a picture with me.
We'll do whatever you like. Long as for Jesus, we'll do anything for Jesus, baby.
On the different sides of Atlanta all day, just blessed and less fortunate. So we just not making our way downtown, you know. And we been giving to like males all day, so we want to give to some goddesses, some feminine energy. We been.
My name is
So sweet. Thank you, baby.
That's the first 100 here. That's 200 for you, and then this 200 for you too, man. Definitely. And it's crazy. We walked up and y'all just happened to be in the middle of prayer.
I just found my son. That's my son. He's been missing since birth.
Yeah, definitely.
You just don't know.
Thank you, baby.
You just don't know.
Okay.
You got it back.
Yes.
Just remember my name, Rashad Jamal. That's all I want from you. Just remember my name. Remember the young black God that came and blessed y'all along with my family. That's it. But yeah, we finna go down here put these clothes right here too.
Yes, sir.
Look, it's a bunch of clothes right there too for everybody to do out there. Just had to get back down here in Atlanta. You know, we down here in Atlanta, man. We just passed out some clothes. We just gave two a goddess and another a human being that she looked like. We just gave them 200 apiece. You know what I'm saying? So our last stop, the south side. I'm gonna keep it real rich with you. We was gonna go on the north side, but the north side, to be honest, it's not really a lot of homeless and less fortunate people. Anybody in Atlanta know the north side is really like where the people with the money stay. So it's like we gave out 200 on the west side, 200 on the east side, 400 downtown. So instead of giving 5, you know, so that's how we did it to make up for that north side, and we finna go to the south side. That's the very last stop. And that's it, but you can look down there and see our people out here, man. You know what I'm saying? They all down there. That hole, they deep as fuck down there, you feel me? So we been out here all day, man. Shout out to Streets too. That's my brother. He stayed vlogging, man. Y'all go follow him on Instagram. You feel me? Me and my wife and my daughters and Streets, we've been out here today all day just giving back in any way we can. So this ain't just coming from me, this coming from them too. This like our family, our team giving back. And you know, we don't look for nothing in return. It's gonna come back to us regardless, man. Peace to the gods and goddesses.
What them bags was?
The bags, we had a bunch of clothes, mostly female clothes, like my daughter clothes. My wife put a bunch of clothes in there. So, you know, definitely it's clothes and all them bags right there. We gave them like 4 bags worth of clothes. So it's a lot they can do that they can stay warm with the little hats, you know. They can even take it in stores, trade it in, and get a couple dollars for it, $2 here, $3 here for items, you know, so. Yeah, we just want to give back, you know what I'm saying? But peace to the guys and guys to Planet Kai, man. They took everything from us. We never lacked, and now we lack. Not just the homeless, but even the people that's not homeless struggle. You know, we all struggle in a way. So, but it's because when we struggle, we be scared to give back because we're struggling. But if you give back without no fear, then you'll never struggle because the universe gonna send out to you what you send out to it. That's just how it go. We all need blessings, man. So peace to the guys and guys once again on Planet Kai. Now we rise. I leave as I come. I shake.